Hello everybody, welcome back to Model Farm Master 25, and today doing an unboxing video from RB Models. And been waiting for this package for a week and a half maybe. So yeah, there it is. So excited to open this up, and I'll just get into it. Okay. I'm not very good at opening packages, everybody, so apologies if this takes a while. Where should I start? Start over here. I'm just going to rip the box, everybody, even though it mightn't be the best if there's stuff inside, but I kind of have to do this. There seems to be another box inside, so a box in a box. Most of my stuff is Brushwood HLT that I ordered, and yeah, there's another box there. So as well, as you can see, just ripping this basically. There's something. Oh, it's not a box. Just a piece of cardboard on top. I'm not going to show you what I got yet. And after forgetting some stuff that I got, I think that this is all here today. Really ripping it. Here we are. So here we have a lawnmower for my farm, which is nice. Here we have some grass tufts. Here we have a hose and pipe. Two of these country gates by Javis. Another one of those. We have this wallpaper, stone wallpaper for my farm to make the shed. And finally, we have a stacks of feed and stuff from Brushwood. A bit smaller than I expected everything to be, but I'm quite happy. So I'll just show you really quick everything that I got. And now it's here now. So this is everything. The wallpaper back here. The lawnmower. I really like these grass tufts, they're very nice. These hedges. I'm going to take these out very quickly. Sorry guys, just going to have to put the camera down. That's one of them. There. Very nice. There's another one of those. And of course the little hose and pipe, which is gorgeous. And I have got some little tiles from my granddad as well to make the patio. Tell me what your favourite thing is. Won't be having a few unboxing videos for a while. Have lots of scenery now, so I think I'll be getting a few models next from eBay or my local toy store. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.